Panel is stable. Now for the voltage test. Readings are good. All systems go.
How does a synchronous motor work? It locks onto a rotating magnetic field. This constant speed is the synchronous speed.
Welcome to Marine Electrical Made Easy. In today's video, we will learn about the synchronous motor, one of the most important AC motors used in industrial and marine applications. We will understand what it is, how it works, why it is called a synchronous motor, its starting method, and its applications on board ships. Let us get started. A synchronous motor is an AC motor that runs at a constant speed, known as synchronous speed. The unique feature of this motor is that its rotor rotates at exactly the same speed as the rotating magnetic field produced by the stator. Unlike an induction motor, there is no slip during normal operation. Because of its constant speed characteristics, synchronous motors are used in applications where precise speed control is required. Now let us see the working principle. Now let us understand how a synchronous motor works. When a three-phase AC supply is applied to the stator windings, a rotating magnetic field is produced. At the same time, the rotor is supplied with DC current through an excitation system. This creates a strong magnetic field on the rotor. The rotor magnetic field is attracted to the rotating magnetic field of the stator and locks with it. Once this magnetic locking occurs, the rotor rotates at exactly the same speed as the rotating magnetic field. This phenomenon is called synchronism. Why is it called a synchronous motor? The motor is called a synchronous motor because the motor rotates in synchronous with the stator rotating magnetic field. There is no difference between the speed of the rotor and the speed of the magnetic field. For example, let us consider a 50 Hz 4-pole motor. The synchronous speed calculated using the formula. Synchronous speed equals 120 multiplied by frequency divided by number of poles. So 120 multiplied by 50 divided by 4 gives 1500 RPM. Therefore, both the rotating magnetic field and the rotor rotates at 1500 RPM. Starting of a synchronous motor. One important point to remember is that synchronous motor is not self-starting. When power is first applied, the rotor cannot immediately follow the rotating magnetic field because of its inertia. To overcome this problem, damper windings are provided on the rotor. These damper windings allow the motor to start like an induction motor. As the rotor reaches near synchronous speed, DC excitation is applied to the rotor. The rotor magnetic field then locks with the stator magnetic field and the motor starts running synchronously. Synchronous motor start as induction motor and then lock into synchronism. What are all the applications on board ships? Now let us look some important marine applications. Synchronous motors are used where constant speed, high efficiency and power factor improvement are required. In modern electric propulsion systems, Large synchronous motors are used to drive ship propellers. They are commonly found on cruise ships, LNG carriers, icebreakers, naval vessels, offshore support vessels. These motors provide excellent performance, reliability, and energy efficiency. Synchronous motors are widely used in modern electrical propulsion ships. Let us quickly summarize what we learned today. A synchronous motor is an AC motor that runs at constant synchronous speed. The stator produces a rotating magnetic field while the rotor is excited by DC current. The rotor locks with a rotating magnetic field and rotates at exactly the same speed. Since there is no slip, the motor provides excellent speed regulation and efficiency. That is why synchronous motors are widely used in industrial plants and modern ship propulsion systems. I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical Made Easy for more marine electrical ETO related tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.